This is Jamie with BarEye. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use the single page report to get a high level view of your results each week, but also if you don't receive the email or if you want to dig deeper into results, how to use BarEye's reporting suite so you can look at a broader selection of reports and also look at the full history. Let's take a look. So looking here at a bar's email, I've hidden the name of the bar, but if they click on this thumbnail, they will see this single page report that shows them the headline high level stats for the cycle. In this case, they scored an 89.8, shows the recent history of results in terms of the score, and also shows the top losses by dollar amount. So this is a great starting point for how to learn more. At the bottom of this email, you'll also notice this link here, and if you click here, you can log in and you'll land inside your account here. And this is where you can dig deeper and access just a finer detail. So first of all, you can click on reports, and under this summary section, you can look at this commentary report, which is the exact content of what's included in the email. You can also look at product sales, liquor cost, and loss and accountability report. On the action reports, you can check all of your recipes. So you can, for instance, look up any recipes that have Tito's in them and see about that. You can dig deeper in the detailed product viewer, and you can look at price changes. On the audit side, you can check what was counted, invoiced, the raw data and the point of sale, and what adjustments have been made. If you want to dig further still, if you click on accountability and choose the dates, you can also get the most detailed view and access to our reporting suite. So if you click on adjustments and final analysis, you're then able to look at a whole suite of screens. So you can look at comparisons showing how results, sales, losses have evolved over time, which products are offsetting, what the recipes are, the main analytics dashboard where you can filter by category and then subcategory. So if I set liquor and I want to dig into my tequilas, for instance, I can click down here and just look at tequilas. I can search by name. I can look at which products have been adjusted and then a detailed look. So if you want to get the most out of the BarEye reporting suite, it is great to look at the single page report. But to really dig and actively use the results to manage your beverage program and see better results, we'd strongly recommend regularly logging into the reporting suite where you can delve deeper and just have a broader range of tools available to you. As always, thanks for watching, and let us know if there's any other videos you'd like to see.